Question number 1. Which benefits of mobile applications is defined by this? Users can write, read, and present their reports using only their mobile phones. They can also manage their multimedia files and share to friends through social sites. Great job. Convenience is the accurate answer. Question number 2. In this app, the designer has named their button 1. Which of the following would be a suitable alternative name? Well done. BTN-Start is the right choice. Question number 3. Variables are used to store data in a program to be used later. What is the name of the variable in this app? Well reasoned. Name is the correct choice. Question number 4. Someone is making an app about farmyard animals. One of the elements is a picture of a cow. They have decided to call this element image 1. Which of the following is a suitable alternative for this name? Great thinking. Img-cow is the right choice. Question number 5. Choose what the app will display on the screen if the user types in 30 clicks on the Convert button. Clear logic. Your choice 60 is sound and 100% true. Question number 6. When creating an app, it is important to consider the design of the screens as well as the programming of the code. Which of the following examples is not a way you could change the design? Bravo! Changing the names of the elements is the answer. Question number 7. What action would the user need to perform in order for the app to move to the home screen? Nice work. You chose click on the home button, and it is correct. Question number 8. How long will the player be given before the app switches to the end screen? Well picked. 5 seconds is the correct answer. Question number 9. An operating system built exclusively for mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, PAS, etc. Similar to a standard OS but is relatively simple and light. Strong choice. Mobile operating system is the right answer. Question number 10. Choose the most suitable name for the picture of the pig on this app. Smart pick. Img-pig is the correct choice. Question number 11. Choose the most accurate statement about this app. Good thinking. The player must be older than 11 years old is the right answer. Question number 12. In this app, the designer has named their button 1. Which of the following would be a suitable alternative name? On track. BTN-Start is the correct answer. Question number 13. Which of the following is not mentioned as an aspect of mobile app development influenced by current technologies? Correct response. Supply chain management is the most accurate answer.
Question number 14. Apps that take a little of mobile screen display which provide quick access to live data or settings is known as?
Excellent. Widgets is a brilliant choice. Question number 15. Variables are used to store data in a program to be used later. What is the name of the variable in this app? You chose name, and it is correct. Question number 16. What technologies are mentioned as enhancing the security of mobile apps through biometric authentication?
Oh.
Sharp thinking. Fingerprint scanning and facial recognition is the right choice. Question number 17. What impact does the continuous evolution of technology have on mobile app design and implementation? Nice selection. It has a profound impact is the correct and valid answer. Question number 18. Which programming language has surpassed Objective-C as the preferred language for iOS app development? solid response. Swift is a valid choice.
Question number 19. Choose what the app will display on the screen if the user types in 30 clicks on the Convert button.
Valid point 60 is true.
Question number 20. Which of the following would be the most suitable name for the welcome screen of your app?
You got it. Your choice, Scran-Welcome, is right.
Question number 21. What is one of the key advantages of cross-platform development mentioned in the material?
Right choice. It streamlines development and allows for wider reach is the best answer.
Question number 22. What action would the user need to perform in order for the app to move to the home screen?
Nicely done. Click on the home button is a solid answer.
Question number 23. Which programming language is a great alternative to Java for Android app development? Smart move. Kotlin is an accurate answer.
Question number 24. Choose what this app will display when the user clicks on the Click Me Hard button. Right again. One is a valid answer.
Question number 25. Which programming language is the official language for Android app development?
You're right. Kotlin is the correct answer. Question number 26. The process of transferring a mobile station from one base station to another is? Exactly. Handoff makes sense and it is right choice.
Question number 27. What do current technologies significantly impact in the context of mobile apps?
Correct. Design and implementation is the right answer.
Question number 28. How long will the player be given before the app switches to the end screen?
Good job. Your answer 5 seconds works well here. Question number 29. An app is a piece of software designed with a specific dash for the user. Perfect. Purpose is the correct choice. Question number 30. What do progressive web apps combine to deliver their experience? Excellent choice. The best of web and mobile app experiences is the right answer. Question number 31. What is the purpose of advanced accessibility features in mobile apps? Clear logic. Your choice. To ensure a positive experience for users with disabilities is sound and 100% true. Question number 32. Choose the most suitable name for the picture of the pig on this app. Well picked. Img-pig is the correct answer. Question number 33. What is one of the benefits of edge computing related to latency? Sharp thinking. Brings computation closer to the data source. Reducing latency is the right choice.
Question number 34. In which section you can create launcher application for your app?
Correct response. Section 5 is the most accurate answer.
Question number 35. Which of the following is not a proper app distribution channel?
Smart move. Best flight is an accurate answer.
Question number 36. Which technologies are commonly used in front-end development?
On track. JavaScript, HTML, CS, Python, TypeScript, XML is the correct answer.
Question number 37. Choose the most suitable name for the Start button on this app.
Nicely done. Beating-Start is a solid answer. Question number 38. Which of the following is a hybrid app development platform? Smart pick. Flutter is the correct choice. Question number 39. What are the different stages involved in app development? Great job. Ideation, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance is the accurate answer. Question number 40. What are the two most common platforms for mobile apps? Right again, iOS. Android is a valid answer. Question number 41. Choose the most accurate statement about this app. Strong choice. The player must be older than 11 years old is the right answer. Question number 42. What is example of context mobile apps? Valid point. Lifestyle, social entertainment, productivity suites is true. Question number 43. What is the term app short for? Excellent. Application is a brilliant choice. Question number 44. How many context of mobile apps? Nice selection. 8 is the correct and valid answer. Question number 45. iOS can install apps from? Excellent choice. App Store is the right answer. Question number 46. What does IDE stands for? You got it. Your choice integrated development environment is right. Question number 47. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Good job. Your answer, contact Narayan Changder, works well here.